In this video, we will discuss the basics of personal finance and taxes in college. Disclaimer: this material has been prepared for informational purposes only and is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for tax, legal, or accounting advice. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. In college, the biggest financial concern is student loans. When in college, make sure to spend time applying for financial aid, applying for scholarships, and maybe even working a job to reduce the amount of student loan debt you will need to take on. Here are some other personal finance tips. If you haven't already, open a no-fee student credit card and use it to pay for small expenses like subscription accounts or gas. Make sure to always pay down the balance every month. This will ensure you have an excellent credit score right out of college, which will help you down the line. Try cooking from home once in a while. It is healthy and can save you money. Try out a spending tracking app to see your spending habits. You might be surprised. Try to create a basic personal budget. It is a great way to keep track of your finances. Now, on to taxes. You don't need to file taxes if you made less than $12,400 in 2021, but filing taxes might end up giving you more money in the form of a refund. For more information on whether you should file or not, check out our other video on the topic. First, you have to decide on whether you want to file as a dependent or independent. Filing as a dependent means your parents claim you on their tax return. The benefits are that your parents can claim deductions and credits to reduce their taxes, but the downside is that you cannot claim these for yourself. Filing as an independent means you claim responsibility for paying the majority of your educational expenses. The benefit are that you claim educational credits and deductions, but it is important to keep in mind that these deductions and credits might not reduce your taxes as much as they would your parents, since it is likely that your parents make more money. Next step is assembling the appropriate forms. The personal tax form is the IRS Form 1040. You will need proof of income, like a W-2 or 1099. Your university will send you a 1098-T, which you will also need to show for tuition payments. Other forms might be needed depending on your situation. Here are some helpful deductions and credits that might be applicable to your situation. The American Opportunity Tax Credit, which offers up to a $2,500 tax credit for your first 4 years of higher education. Lifetime Learning Credit, which is another educational tax credit. However, it cannot be taken with the American Opportunity Tax Credit. The Student Loan Interest Deduction. If you enjoyed the video and learned something, please consider liking the video and subscribing. This video is brought to you by Gateway Bank's Financial Education Initiative.